Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight we're going to be doing a couple of post reviews on some items I purchased off of CESDeals, and it is the ocean scene, and it turned out pretty good. I mean, I love the sparkle in this. It is beautiful, and the drills were very nice. I didn't have very much garbage with this. The only one thing I am not very impressed with is this. It really doesn't throw out a lot of shine from the lights. I mean, I guess for a night light, it's not that bad, but I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit more sparkly from the drills, but that was the only thing I wasn't really impressed with. But when the light's off, it looks fine. And then when you put this in like a dark room, it, like I said, it doesn't throw out a lot of light, but it's enough for like a small child that likes to sleep with a nightlight. It'd also be good for something like in a washroom or a laundry room. Okay, it does require one, I think it's a AAA. Let me just double check. Oh no, sorry. It requires 2 AA's. And yeah, so I got it on sale and I'm not disappointed with the price. So I don't know how much they are selling for right now, but definitely if they're on sale, check them out and pick up a couple. Okay, so that is the nightlight. And please forgive me, I have a really bad cold and I might go into a coughing fit here, so I do apologize if I do. All right, so the next is the clutch purse. I like this. This is going to go with me on my holiday, and we are going to Mexico next week. I am so looking forward to it, given the fact that today it is friggin' -27 with the wind chill down to -35. Really? No, I don't like that. So anyway, I am going to be taking these items with me and I'm going to see how durable they are, because that way I can report back to you guys and say, you know what, these drills all popped off, or hey, look at guys, this really held up really nicely. So it's a really nice bag. It feels like leather, but it's not. It's lined nicely. So this would be something that would be really nice to carry, like your cell phone, your wallet, you know, just little things. And yeah. Now I did seal this, and I sealed it with, let me grab it real quick without knocking everything over. Of course, you knocked over. Okay, here we go. So I heard about this product through Brandy, Abstract Crafter, and she used this product called Liquitex. Sorry, Liquitex. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. You can order this on Amazon. That's where I got it. You do not have to dilute this, and just thin coats. That's all you need. It's very easy to work with, and it doesn't take away from your product. It doesn't take away from the drills, nothing. And it doesn't leave that really milky residue on this either. The drills feel nice and soft. Everything the leather still feels, even though it's fake leather, it still feels really soft. So definitely a nice sealer for something like this. So again, this is purse, and again, I do apologize for, yeah, my brain is cloudy. All right, one last item I'm going to show you, and that is this. This is the passport cover, and as you can see, you can bend it over. I sealed this with this product as well. And this has a lot more jewels on it than the clinch purse, or the clutch purse. Why do I want to call it a clinch purse? Anyway, just ignore me. So this one, like I said, has a lot more jewels and drills on it than the purse. And I'm going to be testing this one out as well to see how durable these actually are. And if it's going to withstand actually using these as travel items. So I will let you know as, or I will let you know once I get back from our trip how these two items stood up to the travel. Okay, everyone, so that is it. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I totally understand. But if you could be so kind as to go down below and let me know what you didn't like about the video. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. I'll just bring this in so you can look at it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. The bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene, and thank you for joining me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.